Hi, now I'm going to show you how to use the mobile CRM for the Office Central. So after you download your mobile app from the Office Central, the name is OfficeCentral CRM, and then you practically will log into the system using your own username and password, the one that is already inside your Office Central. So once you get into the system, you will see this page, and from there you actually can see on the bottom you actually see your KPI, what is your target, and what is your actual. So how many leads, how many meeting, how many quotation, and how many invoices. But you can also look at your meeting by clicking the meeting, and then you can also look at your inventories. This is your product and your inventory balance. This information come from your price book as well as the stock balance information. But you can also have other things, for example, sales process. You can do your quotation, order acceptance, delivery order, invoices, and receipts. I'll just show you what I have done. But later on, there will be another webinar on how to do things. But I just want to show you, this is the quotation, for example. And you actually can see the quotation by clicking here. And you actually can see the real quotation here. And if you look at the order acceptance, you can see that you actually can look at the order acceptance here from the screen. I'm looking at the order acceptance now. And the same thing you actually can look at all your delivery order. I'm looking at this my delivery order. Okay, and then I can also look at my invoices. I click here and I can see my invoice. Okay, I'm waiting for my invoice here, and I can also look at my receipt. So if I click the receipt, then I can get the receipt list, and then I actually can view the receipt, the one that is available inside our database. So if I click that receipt, then I actually can see the receipt, the actual receipt. Okay, so from the system, you actually can do a lot of this function. How to do quotation, how to do order acceptance, how to do delivery. If you look at this quotation, for example, you can see that if you want to generate the order acceptance, there is things on your top right, correct? You click the order acceptance and you can generate order acceptance from there. Basically, it is a very intuitive button that you need to push over there. So, and then there is also another function inside this where you can get access to all your leads here. And these are all your leads, and you actually can click the leads and get more information about the leads, about the company information, or about the list information, or you can look at all the logs, the one that we have with the customer. And you can also look at your account. Account is after leads, after you convert the leads to account, then this is the account. The account is you have more information about this particular account. Account is something that, or rather the leads, the one that you have make the contact, the prospect, the one that you think will become customer, and you have converted the leads to account. So that's the account. So inside Office Central, you actually can do all these things, the processing of your quotation, and then you can do invoice, you can do delivery order, you can do receipt, and all that. So inside the setting, for example, you can see that you actually can move to whichever account, the one that you want. Just click the account, and then you actually can see the account. So once you finish, you actually can log out from the system, and then you actually already finish your work. So basically, the OfficeCentral CRM will give you the tools for you to do all your sales work without having to bring your laptop along. So basically, you actually can do it very fast. You can do your quotation within probably like 30 seconds. And after that, you can do the whole sales process. You can send your